Hello everyone, welcome in my channel Romana Physio. Let's start about the today's vlog. So in this video, I will just show you about the physiotherapy clinic. Okay, so let's see. This is all the instrument which are basically used in physiotherapy clinic, like the bicycles, the crutches, the walker, then the different therapy tubes, then height measurement scales, then different couches for exercise of the patient, then different modalities, then electric gels, okay, weight curves, the different machines like IFT, then ultrasound, the TENS modality, then the physio balls exercise, then multiple combo machines, then biofeedback and mirror exercises, wobble board exercises. So these all are the instruments. Now we start one by one and let's see. So here the first machines are the bicycles, okay, static bicycles and treadmill, basically used in aerobic training for the patient in the fitness. Then this is what about the finger ladder used for the shoulders exercise. Then here it is the pulley. It is also used in shoulder exercise. Then here we start with the machines, okay, different modalities. So see here. So the first modality is here, that is about the ultrasound. Then another modality that are the multiple combo machines. So in that the TENS, electrical stimulation, ultrasound all are mixed. Okay, so different programs होते हैं जो हमें सेट करने होते हैं according to patient's conditions. Then this is what about the IFT. Now here this is what the squeeze ball basically used in hand exercises of the patient. Okay, then the second here, that is the gel used as a lubricant in ultrasound therapy or IFT modality. Then here I open, that is about the different springs, okay, with different resistance, basically used in finger exercise into the patient's treatment. Then here it is the different colors therapent which are in different intensity. So the protocol is set वाइज पेशेंट कंडीशन क्या है उसके हिसाब से हम उसकी इंटेंसिटी सेट करते हैं. Then here it is different weight dumbbells 1 kg and 2 kg, that is useful in the exercise of the elbow mostly. Then here it is the weight cuff, so used for the resistance training in the patient. Now here we move toward the another modality, that is about the hot pick give to the patient for pain relief. And the second modality, that is what about the paraffin wax bath. Basically this brush is used for the wax applying. Here it is the bolster and physio ball, which is basically used in pediatric patient for the condition. Next is here the different other bolsters which is used in the knee exercise like VMO, etc. Okay, so this is small bolster. Then another, that is here the another physio ball which is basically used in the balance training also. Next here we move, that is about the for gait training. Okay, so in this bar the patient try to walk and correct the balance of the इंडिविजुअल. ओके, सो इसके सामने एक मिरर होता है जिसमें पेशेंट को बायोफीडबैक मिलता है कि वो कैसे एक्सरसाइज कर रहा है. सो ये है मिरर जिसमें पेशेंट को इस तरह से चलता है मिरर के सामने और उसे एक बायोफीडबैक मिलता है. नेक्स्ट हम देखेंगे, सो वो है डिफरेंट अनदर मॉडलिटी, दैट इज़ द इंफ्रारेड की IR मशीन है कि यहाँ पे इसके टाइमर होता है और इंटेंसिटी सेट होती है. जो पेशेंट की डिफरेंट कंडीशन के वाइज हम उसे इंटेंसिटी प्रोवाइड करते हैं. देन दिस इज़ व्हाट अबाउट द ट्विस्टर की जो सुपिनेशन एंड प्रोनेशन मूवमेंट करती है कि दैट इज़ ऑल्सो यूजफुल इन द रिस्ट मूवमेंट. हियर इट इज़ द शोल्डर विल यूज इन द shoulder movement. So this is what all about the this modality. Now here it is the SWD shortwave diathermy machines. So उसके ये इलेक्ट्रोड है which are basically large in this size, और यहाँ पे भी इसका टाइमर होता है, इंटेंसिटी, ठीक है, फ्रीक्वेंसी, वो सब हमें सेट करनी होती है अकॉर्डिंग टू प्रोटोकॉल एंड पेशेंट कंडीशन. सो हियर ये भी सेम मशीन है, दैट इज शॉर्ट वेव डायथर्मी. ओके, सो यहाँ पे हमें इंटेंसिटी सेट करनी है. दिस इज़ व्हाट अबाउट द अल्ट्रासाउंड. तो ये अभी मतलब ऑन है, और ये है जेल एज अ लुब्रिकेंट इन द अल्ट्रासाउंड यूज़ होता है. So thank you so much for watching my video, and yes, if you like my video, please share with your friends and subscribe my channel for more videos.